Preparation method, Hofmann degradation, or you can another name of this preparation method is rearrangement reaction or Hofmann bromide degradation or Hofmann hypobromide degradation. So Hofmann, this is the scientist name. So this is the preparation method of primary amines. So again this is the preparation method of amines. Amines preparation आपल्याला बघायचं. So actually in this reaction, या reaction मध्ये काय होतं? Here amide, here again we are using bromamide degradation. That means here the amide having the formula, general formula RCONH2. So this is the amide. When it is reacted with bromine बरोबर म्हणजे याला हायपोब्रोमाइड म्हणलेलं आहे. आणखी काय दिलेलं आहे? ब्रोमामाइड डिग्रेडेशन म्हणजे ब्रोमीन अँड अमाइड डिग्रेडेशन. आता डिग्रेडेशन रिअरेंजमेंट बघूया कसं कसं होतं. अँड विथ aqueous or alcoholic NaOH or KOH. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपल्याला काय घ्यायचं आहे? aqueous घ्या किंवा अल्कोहोलिक घ्या आणि अल्कलाइन सोल्युशन घ्यायचं आहे NaOH or KOH. मग आपण या ठिकाणी आता सध्या KOH घेऊया. So when this is our amide, आपल्याला माहिती आहे amide when reacts with bromine in aqueous or alcoholic KOH, it undergo degradation. That means here as well as rearrangement. What is degradation? What is rearrangement? We have to see. आता actually काय होतं? When they react together, reaction actually balance करायची आपल्याला. पण बघा. So in this reaction, या reaction मध्ये काय होणार आहे? This CO group, हा जो CO group आहे, that is the carbonyl group. So this carbonyl group gets replaced or gets rearranged. या ठिकाणी काय होतं? तर जो CO ग्रुप आहे किंवा कार्बोनिल ग्रुप जो म्हणतो तर तो काय होतो? रिमूव्ह होतो. रिमूव्ह झाल्यानंतर काय होतं? या ठिकाणी अगेन इट गेट rearranged in the form of another compound, in the form of carbonate compound. तो rearrange होतो. And in this reaction, the carbon atom which is present in this CO group, so from the chain of this amide, one carbon atom get replaced, one carbon atom gets degraded. म्हणजेच काय? The chain get degraded, decrease, it get decreased by one carbon atom. So that carbon atom it get replaced in the form of here carbonate. कार्बोनेटच्या फॉर्म मध्ये बाहेर पडतो and here rearrangement take place and forms the primary amine which contains one carbon less to that of the amide. एक कार्बन ही प्रोडक्ट आपला काय होतं? एका कार्बन कमी असलेला अमाइन प्रोडक्ट आपल्याला मिळतो टू दॅट ऑफ द अमाइन. म्हणजे जो सुरुवातीचा रिएक्टंट आहे त्यापेक्षा एक कार्बन कमी असलेला अमाइन आपल्याला मिळतो. आता कसं काय होतं हे बघा. सो दिस CO get replaced. This nitrogen directly attached to this carbon. So this nitrogen it forms bond with this carbon and forms the first our required product RNH2. So this is our primary amine. त्याच्यानंतर आता रिएक्शन बॅलन्स करायला लागेल. सो दिस CO get replaced in the form of carbonate. कार्बोनेटच्या फॉर्म मध्ये बाहेर पडतो. K शी रिएक्ट होणार आहे. कार्बोनेट फॉर्म म्हणजे CO3 हा कार्बोनेट फॉर्म झाला. हा K बरोबर तो पोटॅशियम K2CO3 हे काय तयार करतो? कार्बोनेट फॉर्म तयार करतो. Then again this K reacts with bromine. So this bromine is replaced in the form of KBr. ठीक आहे. मग आता बॅलन्स करण्यासाठी आपल्याला इथे ट्वाइस घ्यायला पाहिजे because here Br is twice. So this K becomes 4 times. So here we have to use 4 and that is why this hydrogen becomes 4 times. To balance this reaction here we have to use 2H2O. So this is complete balanced reaction. So actually in this reaction the amide, this amide is having two carbon. So this, if you consider this R containing one carbon, this CO carbon, second carbon, but in product only one carbon remains. So this reaction is degradation reaction, and this is one step down reaction. Step down reaction, that means here one carbon atom, it is less, one carbon atom is less in the product. Then for example आपण घेऊया, for example acetamide घेऊया आपण. Acetamide CH3CONH2. So this is our acetamide. So this acetamide when reacts with the bromine with aqueous or alcoholic KOH, त्याच्याबरोबर हे रिएक्ट केलं की, so here heat sign राहिलं बघा. So when it is heated, when it is reacted म्हटलं तरी चालेल, when it is heated with aqueous KOH, then this CO group get replaced, this N attached to this CH3 and forms the main product CH3NH2. So this is methylamine or methanamine. Then remaining, this Br reacts with K, forms the twice KBr. Then this CO in the form of carbonate forms the K2CO3. ठीक है? So here 4 KOH and here 1 H2O, 2 H2O molecules, they are removed. So in the reactant acetamide, here 2 carbon atoms are there, but in the product methylamine, it contains only 1 carbon atom, and that is why this reaction called as a step down or degradation reaction. Why it is rearrangement? Because this CO group get replaced and get rearranged in the form of carbonate. So this is again the rearrangement. Hoffmann-Bromoamide degradation. Bromoamide, that means using the bromine and amide. Hoffmann is the scientist name. Okay. So the next reaction. आता या ऐवजी आपण हा acetamide घेतला. आता propanamide जर घेतला आपण या ठिकाणी, propanamide फॉर्म्युला CH3CH2CONH2. Same reaction, काय करायचं आपल्याला, here CO is to be replaced, आणि मग त्याच्यामुळे with the bromine 4 KOH, balancing factor is the same, here aqueous forms the product. काय product दिसणार बघा आपल्याला, main product is CH3CH2NH2. So in the reactant there are 3 carbon atoms, but in the product 2 carbon atoms they remain. So one step down. So this is ethylamine. This ethylamine with the byproduct काय तयार होणार या ठिकाणी, same balancing factor KBr, K2CO3 and 2H2O. Okay, so this is the Hoffmann degradation reaction. The दोन examples घेतले आपण. So this is general reaction, हे acetamide आणि हे propanamide. ठीक आहे, इथे आपण सगळ्या प्रिपरेशन मेथड्स कंप्लीट केल्या. आता नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, छोटासा पॉइंट आहे तो आपण बघूया. सो द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, physical properties of amines. So what are the physical properties? Here the first physical property we have to see here, its solubility. Its solubility and intermolecular attractive forces, and how this intermolecular attractive forces they affect the boiling point of these amine, that means primary, secondary and tertiary amine compounds. So we have to see. पुन्हा याच्यावरती theoretical question सुद्धा येऊ शकतो. So physical properties. आता बस इथून पुढे आपण काय बघणार आहे, some physical properties. Theoretical question याच्यावरती येऊ शकतो. So physical properties, the intermolecular attractive forces. So how these intermolecular attractive forces they are produced? In our amines, so for example, in case of primary amine is having the general formula RNH2. Okay, so here R group and then NH2 group. here R group. R group, that means this R contains the carbon. This is nitrogen and hydrogen. In these amines, this NH bond, so this NH bond is a polar bond. So this is the polar bond. So why it is polar? Due to their electronegativity differences. So this nitrogen is having the electronegativity 3 and hydrogen is 2.1 and here 3. Due to the electronegativity difference, this NH bond becomes a polar bond. So two poles are created. या ठिकाणी काय होतं, poles create झालेले असतात. So this nitrogen becomes here negatively charged and this hydrogen becomes positively charged because nitrogen is more electronegative than this hydrogen. Okay. Due to polar nature, हे polar nature असल्याने काय होतं, primary, secondary, बघा primary and secondary amines they have intermolecular hydrogen bonding. कुठले amines, primary and secondary. Primary and secondary amines they are having hydrogen bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So how this hydrogen bonding is formed between these primary and secondary amines? So for in case of primary amines, आता आपण primary amine बघूया. In case of primary amines, they are having the general formula RNH2. So suppose this is the R group, this is the nitrogen, this is hydrogen, second hydrogen. So this is one molecule. हा काय आहे, एक molecule आहे. Same way in another molecule, दूसरा molecule आहे. This nitrogen and this nitrogen negatively charged, these hydrogens they are positively charged. बघा याच्यामध्ये काय आहे, बिकॉज देअर इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिव्हिटी डिफरन्स जो आहे याच्यामुळे काय झालेला आहे, हायड्रोजन पॉझिटिव्हली चार्ज अँड दिस चार्ज इज स्मॉल, very small, so we term it as a delta positive and this nitrogen becomes a delta negatively charged. So every primary amine is having such a situation. So suppose this is the first molecule of primary amine. When it is come in contact with another molecule of primary amine, and when it faces towards the hydrogen of this amine, it faces towards the nitrogen of second amine. म्हणजे आता बघा या ठिकाणी आपण काय करूया, सेकंड अमाइन घेऊया. सो सपोज दिस इज द नायट्रोजन, hydrogen and this is the R group. So RNH2. Hydrogen delta positive, nitrogen is a delta negatively charged. So this is the second primary amine. So this is the first primary amine, it is having the positive end, this is the second amine is having the negative end, and thus one positive end it attracts the negative end, and thus together they form in between positive terminal of hydrogen of one amine and negative end, that is nitrogen of another amine. Here the hydrogen bonding take place. So this is dotted line. This dotted line is the hydrogen bonding, which is a form in between two different amine molecules. So this is possible in case of primary amines because they are having two hydrogen atoms which acts as a positive terminal. So here the intermolecular attractive forces, the hydrogen bond formation is greater in case of primary amines. Intermolecular forces of attractions, they are stronger in primary amines. Then what about the secondary amine? The secondary amine मध्ये काय condition आहे बघूया. In secondary amine here are two R groups are present and only one hydrogen is there. Here the two R groups are present, one hydrogen. So R NH R असं त्याचा फॉर्म्युला आहे, म्हणजे आपण NH असं लिहितो functional group secondary amine. This hydrogen again it is a delta positively charged. This nitrogen is a delta negatively charged of one secondary amine. Then the secondary amine. If the negative end it faces towards the positive end of the first, या ठिकाणी जर अशी कंडिशन आली, this nitrogen again it is having the ह्याच्याकडील चार्ज कुठला डेल्टा निगेटिव्ह and this hydrogen delta positive. So in such cases also this positive terminal it attracts the negative terminal and thus again together they forms the hydrogen bonding. This bonding is weak bonding but still this is the attractive force. Intermolecular दोन molecule मधला हा attractive force आहे. And thus due to presence of one hydrogen atom here the intermolecular attractive forces are present but they are quite smaller than that of the primary amines. Primary amine पेक्षा कमी, परंतु काय याच्यामध्ये काय सेकंडरी अमाइन मध्ये थोडेसे तरी काय असतात याच्यामध्ये here quite weak intermolecular attractive forces are present but in primary amines because in primary amine so another hydrogen is also there which attracts the negative terminal of third म्हणजे पुढच्याला ते जोडू शकतात by weak hydrogen bonding. त्याच्यामुळे काय होतं here intermolecular attractive forces are greater but here intermolecular forces they are quite less compared to the primary amines. Then what is about the tertiary amine? आता जर तुम्ही tertiary amine बघितलं इथेच आपण करूया tertiary amine. Tertiary amine is having 3 R groups and no याच्यामध्ये काय हायड्रोजन असतो का नाहीये, याच्याकडे हायड्रोजनच नाहीये. हायड्रोजन नसल्याने काय झालेलं आहे या ठिकाणी there is no formation of hydrogen bonding in case of tertiary amine. Tertiary amine they do not form hydrogen bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding. याच्यात intermolecular hydrogen bonding नाही but this nitrogen and this carbon that means here the R group is present, it contains the carbon due to their electron here this nitrogen and carbon this bond NC bond या ठिकाणी काय आहे this NC bond is polar bond. हा काय आहे पुन्हा NC bond हा it can't form the hydrogen bonding but still this NC bond is polar bond and thus this tertiary amine it is the polar molecule. हा काय आहे polar molecule आहे. का polar molecule आहे because this NC bond जो आहे it is having quite electronegativity difference and thus this bond becomes polar. So tertiary amines they are the polar molecules and they have the intermolecular dipole attractive forces. या ठिकाणी काय आहे हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग आहे, इंटरमोलिक्युलर अट्रॅक्टिव्ह फोर्सेस आहे, या ठिकाणी डायपोल अट्रॅक्टिव्ह फोर्सेस आहे. कसे हा कार्बन हा नायट्रोजन आणि हा कार्बन. सो दिस NC बॉन्ड इज द पोलर बॉन्ड. या ठिकाणी NC बॉन्ड हा पोलर बॉन्ड असतो. त्याच्यामुळे हे डायपोल अट्रॅक्टिव्ह फोर्सेसनी काय होतात अट्रॅक्टिव्ह फोर्सेस दाखवतात. कोण टर्शरी अमाइन्स दे डू नॉट फॉर्म द हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग. मग याच्यामुळे काय होतं तर या सर्व गोष्टींमुळे काय झालेलं आहे इट अफेक्ट्स द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स ऑफ द अमाइन्स. जर तुम्ही प्रायमरी सेकंडरी आणि टर्शरी अमाइन याच्यामध्ये जर कंपेअर केलं त्यांचे बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स सो दीज प्रायमरी अमाइन्स दे आर हॅव्हिंग द हायर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स दॅन द सेकंडरी दॅन द टर्शरी. आता हे का झालं बिकॉज इन liquid condition these amines primary amines especially these primary amines they forms the intermolecular hydrogen bonding and due to presence of hydrogen bonding here association of molecules take place and to separate these molecules while boiling it require more amount of heat energy and that is the boiling point increases in case of primary amines. याच्यापेक्षा याच्यामध्ये काय आहे सेकंडरी अमाइन मध्ये काय आहे बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इट डिक्रीजेस बिकॉज इट कंटेन्स ओनली वन हायड्रोजन एटम. सो ओनली वन हायड्रोजन बॉन्ड कॅन बी फॉर्म बाय वन मॉलिक्यूल. इकडे काय आहे हियर टू हायड्रोजन एटम्स आर प्रेझेंट दे कॅन फॉर्म द टू हायड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स. But in case of tertiary amine they can't form the hydrogen bond so again the boiling point decreases. So when you compare between primary, secondary and tertiary, the boiling point goes on decreasing from primary to secondary to tertiary. ठीक आहे. अगेन याच्यामुळे पुन्हा अजूनही काय होतं, ड्यू टू दिस इंटरमॉलिक्युलर हायड्रोजन बॉन्डिंग the solubility of these amines in water, it decide solubility of these amines in water. आता समोर दिसतच आहे, these primary amines, these are the primary amines which contains two hydrogen atoms. So due to presence of two hydrogen atoms, these hydrogen atoms can form the hydrogen bond with the water in aqueous condition, because in aqueous condition this is the water delta negative, here the hydrogen delta positively charged. So one positive end attracts the negative end, thus it forms the hydrogen bond, thus it becomes soluble in water. So primary amines, lower primary amines quite soluble in aqueous condition. हे कशामुळे झालं, ड्यू टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ हायड्रोजन बॉन्ड्स between primary amine and the water, because they are having the positive terminal and negatively terminal in the water, and here the two hydrogens they are present, they can form the hydrogen bonds with the water, so they are quite soluble. secondary amine सुद्धा काय आहे याच्यामध्ये, या ठिकाणी also they soluble, but this solubility it goes on decreasing. ही जी सॉल्युबिलिटी आहे ती सॉल्युबिलिटी काय होते, हळूहळू डिक्रीज होत जाते फ्रॉम प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी टू टर्शरी. सॉल्युबिलिटी का डिक्रीज होत गेलेली आहे, बिकॉज द हायड्रोजन ॲटम्स दे आर प्रेझेंट इन दीज अमाइन्स, दे डिक्रीजेस फ्रॉम प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी टू टर्शरी, अँड ऑल्सो as their molecular weight goes on increasing. Molecular weight, that means as there are groups, they becomes bigger and bigger. Again the solubility goes on decreasing, because this R part is insoluble in water. हा जो पार्ट आहे हा कसा आहे, ऑर्गेनिक पार्ट आहे, सो इट इज insoluble in water, so its solubility again goes on decreasing. लक्षात येते या ठिकाणी, म्हणजेच या जी सॉल्युबिलिटी आहे जी आपल्याला दिसते when you compare between primary, secondary and tertiary in water, here solubility goes on decreasing, and also as R group जो आहे, this R group goes on increasing in number of carbon atoms goes on increasing, as their molecular mass or molar mass goes on increasing, their boiling points आणि त्यांची solubility काय होते, they goes on decreasing. ते काय होत जातात, त्याचं बॉइलिंग पॉईंट पण डिक्रीज होत जातो, आणि सॉल्युबिलिटी जी आहे कशामध्ये, वॉटरमधली डिक्रीज होत जाते फ्रॉम प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी टू टर्शरी, आणि बॉइलिंग पॉईंट सुद्धा काय होत जातात, डिक्रीज होत जातात फ्रॉम प्रायमरी टू सेकंडरी टू टर्शरी.